So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to lock an image here on Easil. So once you have the Easil application opened up, go to the right hand side of your screen right below the text icon, press on the images tab. I'm then going to press on my images, go to stock images, and find a stock image for this demonstration. So I'll use this photo right here of what appears to be a bunch of like record covers at a record store, which is actually pretty cool. I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see just like that. Now, if you wanted to lock this image in place and perhaps not worry about moving it around when you're making some other edits, it's very straightforward. Press on the image, go to the top little area right here to where there's these three little dots. Right above the image, press on these three little dots just like that. Go down to the bottom to where it says lock position and simply just press on lock position. And by doing that, you can then press on the image right here and you actually can't move it around. So you can add some other images without worrying about this one. If you want to unlock it, it's fairly straightforward. Do the exact same thing, press on the image. Go to this top button right here, press on the three dots, go to unlock position, and now it's unlocked and you can move it and do whatever you have to do. But it's pretty straightforward. That is how to lock an image here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.